Hey, hi guys, my name is Nagashekar and you are watching me on Take My Hair. This video is brought up by Relevel Unacademy, which is India's first hiring test, through which you can apply for 50 companies for 500 plus positions. So the companies that are providing job through this Relevel are Upgrade, 1MG, Cred, and many more. All you need to do is, I have provided the link in the description. Click on that link. You will be redirected to a Relevel web page. There, register yourself by applying coupon code of TMH10, and now you are allowed to book a slot. On the day, you can take the tournament, and after completing the test within 24 hours you'll get a Relevel score. Now just relax and sit back and wait for the companies to come to you and take the interview. Just you need to be 18 years old or above, and you don't need any degree to apply for this test. And if you are working in a company and if your experience is less than 3 years, you can also take this. The best thing about this Relevel is, if you get the job through this Relevel, the registration amount whatever you paid will be refunded. So don't miss this opportunity. Register yourself. A link is provided in the description and use coupon code TMH10 and get the job. Now, without any delay, let's dive into the video.
Hello everyone. The job date for this video is Capgemini. So Capgemini service desk is hiring for 2021 and 2020 pass outs. So the work location will be Bangalore and Kolkata. So application deadline will be 30th June 2021. So please apply as soon as possible. So the job will be full time, not like internship kind of. So coming to the CTC, they will offer like 2,50,000 per annum, and the job description will be like eligibility criteria for 2020 and 2021 pass outs, and should have 50% and above in 10th 12th graduation till 5th semesters or 2 years. So qualification will be any 3 years graduate, and it will be like a BA, BCom, BSc, all streams, so BCA and BBA. So all these branches will be eligible to apply for this job. So must possess excellent English written or spoken communication skills. So no active backlogs allowed. So the candidate must not have any backlogs while applying for the job. Candidates must be willing to work in 24 by 7 shift environment. So if they want to work at night or morning shifts, so you have to be available for that, and must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location. Work across technology and domain role should be ready to work shifts is required. So they will not specifying any specific technology domain that you have to work in before. So after getting job, you have to be available, or you have to ready to work for any domain or any role, and should be open to sign service level agreement. So there will be agreement while joining, and only shortlisted candidates will be invited for assessment and selection process. So after applying, they will filter the candidates, so based on like eligibility criteria they have mentioned, and selection process will be done in virtual mode. As corona situation, everything will be in virtual. Candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for preparing for selection process, which will be conducted online. So assessment and interview will be in online now. So everyone must have a, laptop or computer or internet connection and webcam. So everything that has to be arranged by the candidates itself by preparing for the test. So this is all about the eligibility criteria and the job description they have mentioned. So let me see how to apply for this. So we have to click this apply now, and you have to mention your email id. So please give your working email id. So let me give and let try. So after giving your email id, they will form will be unable to register and apply. So it will ask like a full name and date of birth, gender, college. So if you didn't find your college here, please select your college using pin code if needed. And so primary email address, and you have to confirm the primary email address and mobile number. And after giving, you have to set your password. So after giving this, we have it will be like save and next. So I'm not going to fill all these details, so I don't want to give dummy data. So the candidates can fill these details and save next. Maximum they will ask for education details maximum in the next page. And finally you are going to, so like you can see here, so in the second page it will be like contact details, and third will be like current education details and degree na. So you have to give your degree details, and the other stage will be like previous education, that is about 10th, 12th, and etc. So and then you have to provide internship or work experience if you have any. Otherwise you can set it as a NA, not applicable kind of. At last, like profile photo and documents, so required documents about graduation or something kind of they will ask, and the profile photo you have to upload there. Finally you have to done the registration process. So these are all the process of registration. So after submitting, you will the further communication will be through mail. So you will get based on the eligibility criteria they have mentioned, they filter the candidates for all the registered candidates, and they will filter and they will send mail for further process like assessments and interview and everything. So this is all about Capgemini job update. So thanks you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications, because we will post the job updates frequently, and you will get our notification about jobs. Thank you.